Hi friends, this is DR Recreation YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I grow Monte Carlo on driftwood. This is one of my planted tanks. Now I'm doing a water change. I have grown some anchor moss on this driftwood. And this is a bird nest plant. It is growing out of the water on the same wood. You can see there are two plants on this wood, but you can't grow this underwater. This is growing under immersed conditions, and this moss also growing out of the water. This is Monte Carlo growing on the wood. It's growing nicely. So I didn't plant this on this wood. Initially I had a Monte Carlo carpet in this tank. Somehow small stems has come to the top of the tank, and they have catch the wood, and now it is growing on the wood. So you don't want to always plant Monte Carlo in soil. You can use wood or rock also to plant Monte Carlo. Even if it is a low-tech tank, you can do if you plant it just below or above the water level, then you don't need to apply CO2, because it is not growing in the deep the water. I did the water change. I filled the tank with water. Now you can see bird nest plant is out of the water, and there are some mosses also out of the water, and half of Monte Carlo is under the water and the balance part is out of the water. Wood can absorb water and bring to the plant. Even this plant out of the water, the wood can provide water to the plants. That's why they're growing nicely. So you also can try this while growing plants underwater. You can have some plants out of the water as well. Better ways grow on a wood, because then you no need to spray or supply water to the plants. Wood will do that part. Even baby deers also you can grow similar to the Monte Carlo on wood or rock. So try this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed so far. Please click the subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching.